guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Wix. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. In this case, how do you connect a GoDaddy domain to Wix? Well, it's actually pretty easy. So, adding your GoDaddy domain to your Wix account. So prior to adjusting the DNS settings within your GoDaddy account, first navigate to the domain section in your Wix account and incorporate your GoDaddy domain. Visit the domain section in your Wix account. Select Add an existing domain, choose Connect a domain you already own, and pick the site you wish to link your domain to and proceed by clicking Next. Input your domain name and proceed with Next. Review the displayed information and initiate the process by clicking Start. And also you might need to update the name servers in your GoDaddy account. So to link your GoDaddy domain with your Wix account, it's essential to update the name server settings in your GoDaddy account. Refer to the comprehensive guidance provided in your Wix dashboard, and this guide will assist you in navigating the process of altering the name servers when your current domain host account, which is GoDaddy. Keep your Wix account page accessible while executing the steps outlined in your GoDaddy account. So the steps will furnish you with all the necessary information, including the specific name server or NS records you need to employ. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.